let's get to cooking. So it's the new year, man, and trying to eat a little healthier, you know. Got that good insurance, went to a dietitian. My teeth were white today. Went to the dietitian, man, and they said I need to eat more fruit because my main diet was carbs. So now making fruit salads, and she told me to cook 5 times a week and only eat out twice. Some of you may know I'm lazy and I don't like to cook all the time. So now I'm being forced to. So now we're gonna really ramp it up this year and try to lock in on some of my goals and grow this YouTube channel. And stop beating my meat, man. Fuck. That's it. So we got honeydew, some apples, mangoes, blueberries, and strawberries. So we're gonna cut up the apples. So some of my goals is to lose 100 pounds before my best friend's wedding in October. So this is gonna help me do it. We got my Planet Fitness membership. These apples are so good. I'm adding blueberries to the mix. So I got some strawberries. I'm gonna cut them up. Like, make sure they cut up. Look how good the strawberry looks. Add that up in there. No, I'm in that field. I'm bringing back hard hitting. These niggas, I'm gonna be real. I don't know how to cut a mango. So this is gonna be my first time ever cutting a mango. And I'm not. Oh, it has a pit. I didn't know a mango had a pit. Like this. Oh, look how beautiful this looks. It looks pretty beautiful. We gotta cut that a bit. Oh my gosh, that's the honeydew. It's the honeydew, not the cantaloupe. It just sliced open like butter. Try to bite of it, already tried it, huh? This mud thing juicy. This thing is juicy. Look at it. Oh my God. So for every good salad, you need a dressing. Even though it's a fruit salad, we need a dressing. Cut up a lime. Pop it in here. Okay. So we're gonna get some honey with the lime juice. Throw it up in there. Just like that. A little bit. Pour it. What's that sound? Oh my God. This is pressure right here, baby. Straight pressure. Stirring it up. This is what we got. So I'm trying to get the mango, the apple, blueberry, the honeydew. I got everything. Look at this bite. Gotta hold it up. Yes, sir. Bite looks fire. I just gotta get one more. Look at that. And them fruit salads we got at lunch during middle school. Oh my gosh. Look how good this looks. This is the type of dessert I need. Not that other overly sugar. So I think all the fruit balances out from the strawberries. The tartness of the strawberries cuts out from the wetness and the, like, it's like a wet sweetness from the honeydew. But then the twang from the mango. Then you taste the dressing from the lime and the honey. Need to wipe my lips. Oh my gosh, it's fire. So honestly, I rated a 8 out of 10. So if you guys like the video, man, like and subscribe. Hey, keep liking. Please like and share, man. I'm trying to really take it to the next level, man. So hey, keep the vibes good and the eats even better. Peace.